I really wanted to be one of those nurses, be one of those doctors. And this was a really good way to test that out.
Let's look for the pathway that helps a student get to their chosen profession in the shortest route with the least debt.
I probably wouldn't be as far as I am. I'm not as nervous or timid or shy because I've been in this environment.
We can go on and on about the many ways career and technical education touches everyone's lives.
That's the great thing about the CT community. Everybody's wanting to see everybody else succeed.
The challenge is getting kids who don't see themselves as having a career pathway and connecting the dots.
We just got to find that space, know that we're here to do good, know that we're changing lives, and embrace that.
You're giving us the choice of our education because we're then getting to create our own path to our future.
We have the chance to get an education and work hard and give our children a better life.
We must seek an educational system which grows in excellence. It means exploring new techniques of teaching to stimulate the love of learning.
Every American has a role and a stake. We must join together to revitalize American education.
You will give the world in which you were reared and educated the broadest possible benefits of that education.